to print 1 to 10 using for loop in Python. This is your for I. I is the variable name. I in range. For I in range, start value 1, stop value 11, step value automatic 1. It will increase automatic 1 in for loop. Now for and in range is compulsory. This is the keyword for in range. I is the variable name. You can take any name instead of I, but for in range is compulsory. Then colon, there must be colon. Enter. Print I. Print I. Enter. Backspace. Then again enter. This is 1 to 10. It prints 1 to 10. You have to print 1 to 10. You have to write 11. The top value must be plus 1. Range is 1 to 10. You have to write top value 11. This is start value 1, top value 11. Okay. What is a loop? A loop is used to repeat a block of code again and again. To repeat a block of code again and again, to execute some statements again and again is known as a loop until a given condition is satisfied. For I equal to 1 to 10. For I equal to 1 to 10 means the loop will run up to 10 times. The condition is less than or equal to 10. Loop means repetition of work. For example, if your teacher says write your name 5 times and you write your name 5 times, that means you are doing your work 5 times. So this is your loop. What is the syntax of the for loop? For variable in range, start value, stop value, step value. Step value is your optional. For in range is compulsory. Start value you have to write, stop value you have to write. And variable name, you can write anything, variable name, AI, anything, you can write variable name, anything. Then statement. Start means from where the loop begins. Stop means where the loop ends. Stop value is not included. This is your ends means for I equal to 1 to 10, we have to write 11. Stop value, you have to write 11. Step, gap between numbers. Gap between numbers means step value. I will explain it. Next, example for I in range 1 to 6. This is 1, 6 means it will print from 1 to 5. 6 will not be included. Now tell me what will be the output of this code and how many times the loop will be run. For I in range 1 for print hello. Enter. Backspace. Enter. Output will be hello, 3 times hello. So loop will be run 3 times. Answer is loop will be run 3 times and output is hello hello 3 times. Next one. Now tell me what will be the output of this one. For I in range 1, 6 print asterisk in double quote into I. Enter. This is asterisk will be printed 5 times. First one into I means into 1. Value of I is first 1. So asterisk will print 1 times. Then value of I is 2. Into 2 means this is your, it will print 2 times, then 3 times, 4 times, up to 5 times. Asterisk will be print 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to print even number from 1 to 10. For I in range, for I in range, start value will be 2, not 1. Start value will be 2, comma, stop value. What will be the stop value? Stop value will be 12. Then step value is 2, means it will increase 2 plus 2 every time, 2 then plus 2 4 then plus 2. So every time it will be increased 2 steps. This is step value is 2. Then print a colon, there must be colon, then print I. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the output. So here step value, this is difference is 2, so step value is 2. Initial value 2, stop value 12 and step value 2. It will be one step more. This is stop value should be one step more. So this is your 12. Okay. Now to print 10 to 1. To print 10 to 1, we have to write for I in range 10, comma 0, not 1, 0, comma minus 1. Every step value is your minus 1, then colon. Step value is your minus 1, 10, first it will print 10, then minus 1, 9, up to 1, then minus 1, 0, 0 will be the stop value. Print here I, print I, enter, backspace, enter. This is your 10 to 1. Here stop value must be 0 and step value is minus 1. Now to print odd numbers from 30 to 40. To print odd numbers from 30 to 40, for I in range bracket, the initial value will be 31, not 30, 31, because 30 is not odd number. Then this is your 40, the final value is your 39, so it will be 40 or 41. You can write 40 or 41. Let 41. Then this is step value is your minus, this is 31 to 40, so this is step value is 2, only 2. First one 31, then 33, step value is 2. Colon, then print I, backspace, enter. This is 31 to 39. This is odd number from 30 to 40. Initial value will be 31, stop value 41, step value 2. So this is the output 31, 33, 35, 37, 39. Find the output for I in range. For I in range, 1, 10, 3. For I in range 1, 10, 3. Colon, print I, enter, backspace, enter. This is 147, not 10. Output is 147. First one 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, but 10 will not be included. Another example, find output. Example 3. For I in range 10, 1, minus 2. Initial value 10, stop value 1, step value minus 2, print I. Find the output. Backspace, enter. This is your 10 to 2, and minus 2. 10 minus 2 8, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 minus 2 2, 2 minus 2 is your 0. It will print up to 2. So this is your stop value is 1 given, means before 1 it will stop before 1. That means this is your 2. Then 2 minus 2, next value will be 0. That will be excluded, only up to 2. To print all even number from 10 to 100 with their sum. Initial value of s is 0. Take variable s for sum, and initial value of variable is 0. S is 0. For I in range 10, initial value of I is 10, stop value is 101, and step value is 2. For even number, step value is 2. Now up to this is your 101. Print I s equal to s plus I. Here value of s is 0 first, 0 plus 10, then plus 12 plus 14 up to plus 100. The value of I will be added to s. So s is the sum of the even number from 10 to 100. Here indent for indent and print indent same. And this is the loop, for loop statement. Now come to the output. Run output. This is the output 10, 12, 14 up to 100, sum equal to 2530. Next program is to print the sum and average of any 10 numbers input by the user. To print the sum and average of any 10 numbers input by the user. This is first take s equal to 0, then for I in range, this is any 10 number given, so 1, 11 to run the loop 10 times. This is to run the loop 10 times. Then here input a number. Inside your for loop enter the number. That means you see write n equal to int input enter a number. That means 10 times, it will ask you 10 times to enter a number. Then you have to find the sum of that number and average. So s equal to, you write s equal to s plus n, sum of the numbers inputted by the user. Then come to back, write here average, AB equal to sum is s by 10 elements, so s by 10. This is your average. Now print here, print sum equal to s, average equal to AB. Print sum equal to s, here comma sum equal to s, then print average equal to AB. Print average equal to AB. Then come to the output. Run. To print sum of first 10 natural number, s equal to 0 for I in range 1, 11, not 10, then colon, then s equal to s plus I, enter backspace, print sum equal to double quote close comma s. Save it and run. Control S, save, then run. Now output is sum equal to 55. This is your output. Now to print product of first 10 natural number. To print product of sum of instead of sum of product of first 10 natural number. What should be the change here? This is for sum we have taken variable name s. For product we will take p, related variable name p. For I in range 1 to 11, correct, this is p. P equal to p into, this is p equal to 0, this is wrong. This will be p equal to 1 product, so p equal to 1, p equal to p into I. This will be p equal to p into I. STC symbol p into I. Sum equal to will be product equal to. This is your product equal to p. Here product equal to p. Okay. Now save it, Ctrl S and run. This is the output product. This is the output product equal to 3628800. This is the output. Next program is to print factorial of a number. To print factorial of a number, what is factorial of a number? Factorial of a number is multiplication of 1 to that number. That means if the number is 5, then 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That means this is your 120. So factorial of n is 1 multiply 1 up to n. For this, take a number n. Int input, enter a number. Next f equal to 1. Initial value of f take 1. Product initial value of f take 1. Then for loop for I in range, then bracket from 1 up, the loop will run up to n times. So you have to take n plus 1. Stop value is n plus 1. The loop will run up to n times. So stop value is n plus 1. Then colon, then enter. Enter. Here write f equal to f into I. F equal to f into I. That means it will multiply first 1, then 2 up to n. Then backspace print factorial equal to double quote close comma f. It will print the factorial of the number n. Save it, then run. This is the output screen. Enter a number 5, factorial is 120. Enter number 4, factorial equal to 24. Again run. Enter number, let 10. Output is, enter number, run. Enter number 10, factorial equal to 3628800. This is your product of 10 number. Now question is to print all the multiples of 5 from 100 to 50 with their product. To print all the multiples of 5 from 100 to 50. So and product with their product. So take a variable p equal to, take a variable p equal to 1 for product. Then for I in range 100, initial value is 100 and stop value is 50 minus 5. Stop value is 50 minus 5, that is 45. Step value is minus 5 from 100 to 50. From 100 to 50 we have to take stop value as 50 minus 5, that is 45. One step more. Now colon. print I. This is your print I. Enter P. To find the product of the number, P equal to P into I. This is the product of the numbers from 5 to 50. Backspace, print, backspace, print the product equal to double quote product equal to double quote close comma P. Save and run. This is the output 100, 95, 90 up to 50 product equal to this much. 5 difference minus 5 all these. To find the sum and average of any 10 numbers entered by the user. Any 10 number is given, not 1 to 10. User will input any 10 number and print sum and average of that 10 number. See, first we have to take s equal to 0 for sum and for loop 1 to 11, not 10, 1 to 11, stop value is 11. Within for loop we have to take the number n equal to input, enter a number within for loop. It will ask 10 times enter number. Then s equal to s plus n, it will find the sum of that number each time. Then after for loop it will find the average of that sum. This is your s is the sum by 10, that means average of the numbers entered by the users. Then it will display the sum and average. Save it, then run. For each, enter a number like 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Sum equal to 45, average equal to 4.5. This is the output. Find the output. A, B, C equal to 5, 7, 0 for I in range 1, 3. That means value of A is 5, value of B is 7, value of C is 0. Now for I in range 1, 3 means the loop will run 2 times. 1 to 2 times. Here first it will print A plus B, then A into B, B plus C in one row. Then value of A will be changed, value of A will be B, value of B will be C, and value of C will be A plus B. Then again it print A plus B, A into B, B plus C. Let's see the output. This is the output 12, 35, 7, 7, 0, 7. First A plus B means 5 plus 7, 12. Then A into B means 5 into 7, 35. Then B plus C means 7 plus 0, 7. First row over. Next A equal to B. A equal to B means value of A is 7, value of B is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 into 0 is 0. Then 7 plus B means 7. B equal to C means B means 0 plus C means A plus B. A plus B means 7 plus 0, 7. B plus C. This is 0 plus 7. Next program is write a program to print all the even numbers from any 20 numbers entered by the user. Any 20 number given. So take for loop I in range 1 to 21. 21 not 20 colon n equal to int input enter number. It will ask 20 times enter number. If n modulo 2 equal to 0, if that number is even, n modulo 2 equal to 0, that means that number is even, then print n, then it will print the n. Okay, now see the output.